My name is Ellis Thompson, and this summer I had the opportunity to work as a showroom intern with Reeves & Company Showroom. Some of my day-to-day tasks included accounting for inventory, selling Queen of Sparkles holiday line, assisting in photo shoots, or any sort of market preparation. I secured my internship through the internship portal created by Dr. B, and then I had a Zoom interview with our showroom manager, Bonnie Ayers, and then within that month after the Zoom, I received my offer letter. My favorite part of working at Reeves was working for the Atlanta market and getting to interact with buyers from stores that I have been a fan of for so long. Some of the most important things that I learned was to first ask questions. 2, some people can be rude, but you can't take it personally. And 3, you know more than you think you do, so have confidence in yourself. And if I was to give any advice to future interns, I would just say to utilize your resources, utilize Dr. B. They will be your friends and they will help you throughout this entire process.